board set up in glue. So now we have an actual 1 by 5.5 on our board. So we're going to take our pattern that we have here, which is 7.5 by about 3 inches, almost 3 inches this way, and we're going to draw out our pattern here. So I've let this set up overnight to get a good bond on it. So now we got our pattern, so we can use our scroll saw, and we're going to cut this out, and then we'll be ready to start to carve the hand, sand it down and carve it to get it to look more like this. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.